Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is Fashe Ochet. Today, we want to continue with the part 2, where we started talking about structure or detailing of a structure on a Y-shape footing. Is that okay? Y-shape foundation footing. Is that okay? So we have done the part 1, and there are a lot we have explained. Excuse me. We have explained in that part 1. So for you to understand this better, I want to say you should go and watch that part 1. Is that okay? On detailing a structure on a Y-shape footing. Is that okay? The part 1. So this is the part 2 that I want to continue. You will notice that in part 1 we have actually come to this place. We have done this one. Is that okay? But we have done this one and also this one. You might think that's small, but there are a lot of explanation that we did. Is that okay? Because it's better we explain for your understanding than to rush and do plenty and at the end you are confused. Is that okay? So that is also the same method we are going to use. Is that okay? So that we can explain very well at the same time you're able to get it, so that anytime you are designing a structure on a Y-shape footing, you know how to go about it. Is that okay? And there's no any other software that we are using than the software called Stonebridge detailing template. Can you see Stonebridge detailing template? And based on the structure that we have, is that okay, that we design, actually the structure is sitting on a Y-shape footing. Is that okay? So that is that we have explained a lot about when to use a particular example given. Is that okay? So if your structure is on Y-shape, definitely when you come to this place, you are going to use Y-shape. If your structure is on a flat slab, you are coming to use what? Flat strap foundation that has been given to you. Is that okay? So it is, so that is fine. Having explained this, so when you come to this place, you click on what? On Y-strip. Why? Because the structure is what that I'm designing is what is on Y-strip. So I click on this, and once I click on this dialog box appear here. Is that okay? This one appears here. Is that okay? So I'm going to follow this sample to now detail my own. Is that okay? So that is fine. So in part 1 we have just done this. So the next thing now is to continue from where we stopped. Is okay? That is fine. So I want to say, before I will forget, or you two will forget, I want to say you should click on like button or give this video a thumbs up, because the more they like, the more the YouTube make this video viral, sent to people who are actually in need of this knowledge, so that they can also benefit just the way you are also benefiting now. Is that okay? So that is that. And in case this is your first time of watching this video, I want to say you should click on subscribe button, so that anytime we are releasing a video, you can have access to those videos. Is that okay? You can be updated, so that's fine. Now coming to this, let's go straight to the point. Now let's get started. Now coming to this, I'm done with this. So the next thing I want to do now is this. Is that okay? And what do we call this? This is what? Y-shape ground beam layout. Is that okay? Now to avoid 2 times job, I'm going to be doing both Y-shape foundation beam layout and also the beams. Is that okay? I'll be arranging everything together. So on that ground, I am going to pick this sample, the sample of these two. Is that okay? I'm going to pick the sample of these two because they are giving me the sample to follow. So this is it. Then I'll press my CP, enter, then take it up. Is that okay? Let's go to where I'm having my drawing. I'm having it here. Is that okay? I'll just keep it here for now. I'll keep it. Let me keep it somewhere here. Is that okay? So that is fine. So I'll press my escape key. Is that okay? So that is that. So what about my own drawing that I exported from a Protastructure into AutoCAD? So you can see it here. Excuse me. As you can see it here, these are the drawings that are exported from a AutoCAD. Sorry, from Protastructure into AutoCAD. Is that okay? So now I will now copy it from this AutoCAD to what? To to Stonebridge detailing template. Is that okay? So I'm going to pick this because this one is what has to do with my foundation, isn't it? Why this one has to do with story 1? Is that okay? So story 1 beams. Is that okay? So this is my foundation. Is that okay? So I'll click on select this one, and also where are the beams? These are the beams. I'll select them, then right click. Is that okay? Right click and click on clipboard and come to what? Copy. Is that okay? So once that one have been done, I'll now go back to my Stonebridge detailing template. Is that okay? Which is this place. Is that okay? I'll now click. Don't forget. Is that okay? Though I've said it before that when you are pasting, make sure you don't paste outside this box. Is that okay? If you paste outside this box, there will be no any effect. Is that okay? So for you to be affected, for what they did here to actually take effect on this your own drawing, it has to be inside this box. Is that okay? So that is fine. So let me click on this and then click on clipboard and come to what? Paste. So I'll come down to this place. Let's wait for it to come up. Can you see it? Is that okay? First of all, I'll bring it here. Let me zoom it. Let me zoom it. Let me zoom it. Okay. Let me just drop it here like this. Is that okay? So I haven't dropped it like this. Let's now go further. Okay, I'll come to this place, select this, then move. I'll move it. Let me move it to this side. Okay, I'll do the final moving later. Movement later rather. So I'll come to this place. Let me also move this one a little bit closer. Is that okay? Enter. Is that okay? I'll take it and bring it closer a little. Let's see. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's wait for it to. All right. So now at this point, I don't need all this strip again, white strip again. I'll select them and delete them. Is that okay? I'll select it and delete them all. Is that okay? So I'm deleting them. I'll delete all of this. I'll delete all of this, and also this one. Then this one, I'll delete them. Is that okay? And finally, I think this one. Is that okay? So let's check. Okay, that's fine. So haven't done this one like this now. Is that okay? I'm going to do something. Sorry, let's wait for this to reappear. Is that okay? Okay, as you can see, for the columns, I don't need the columns. All I need is the foundation beams. Is that okay? So to reduce the all this FB1, is that okay? This is FB1. This is the column. Is that okay? I don't need the column. This is the column. I'll right click and select similar. Select similar. Let's see. Okay, they have been selected. Let me see. Since I click on select similar, let me see. Hope there are no any other one that have been selected. Okay, let's check. Let's check. Let me confirm. Let me confirm. I have to confirm it. Is that okay? So that is it. So that I'm not going to mistakenly delete what I'm not supposed to delete. Is that okay? So that is fine. So I will now come to this place now. Since I've confirmed that none of them is highlighted aside these ones, I will now click on this, or I press erase. Is that okay? So that is fine. So I'll now come to this place and take my sample. You can see this is what ground beam 1. Is that okay? And this is the size. So I'll now press CP, enter, take it. Is that okay? I'll come to this place now and put it here. I can leave it as ground beam. Is that okay? 1, but my own is was 225. Is that okay? 225 by 650. 225 by what? 650. 650. That is fine. So I've edited it now. So you're going to see what I'm going to do now. Is that okay? All right. On this, I'll also come to this place again because I told you I'm going to be doing two things at the same time. So I'll come to this place now. Okay. Copy it. Is that okay? CP. Enter. Is that okay? I'll come to this side. By the side. Is that okay? By the side. Let me put it here. Okay. Let me have this one. There's CP. Let me have it and keep it somewhere here. Then that's fine. So now, where is my F1? Is that okay? Which one is my F1? Can you see? Where is my F1? That's AF1. Is that okay? AF1. So I'll now come to this place. Look at the beam. It's 650. Is that okay? That is fine. So AF1. You can see F1, which means is this one. Is that okay? I'll copy this one like this. I'll copy everything like this. Then M, enter, take it. Is that okay? Come to this place and position it properly. Is that okay? Position it properly here. Fine. Is that okay? Let me zoom it. Okay, this one, let me take it inside. We'll do adjustment. What I'm doing now, I press my control key after selecting it, and then those arrows. Is that okay? I've said a lot about this before. Is that okay? Let me take it up a little. Okay. All right. Then okay. Let's now see. This one I don't need it. Okay, I don't need this one. It's okay like this. It's okay. Which other thing again? This one I don't need all of this. I don't need all of this. This one I don't need it. Is that okay? I remove it. And this one is okay like this. I actually need this one. Click on select these ones. Is that okay? Then move it up a little. Okay, that is that. And also select this one. Let me move it closer a little. Okay, let me take it up now. You can see what I'm doing. Let me take it up. Okay. Then come to this place again. Take this one here. Is that okay? Then L, enter. My L, enter. Sorry. Okay. Then TR. Is okay. TR stand for trim. Enter. Then click on this one. That's that. Then select it and delete it. Is okay. So that is that. And I'll come to this place now. And I'll come to this place. What am I having? This. Then CP. Enter. Copy it. Is okay. That is that. Just follow it. Is okay. You'll get it very soon. You see what we are going to arrive at. Is okay. So that is that. Then come to this place now. Let me adjust this one. Okay, take it to this, take it to this. Okay, that is fine. I told you my own is what? 225, 225, 225, 225 by what? 650. Okay, so that is that. This become my what? Ground beam 1. Ground beam 1, that's GB. Then 225 by what? 650, which is the same thing as what? As this one. So I'll not take this one now. Copy this one, CP, enter, and name this one as what? My ground beam 2. Is that okay? My ground beam 2. Since they are the same thing, is that okay? This one and this one, they are the same thing. Is that okay? So let's just confirm it. 13 and what? And 3. Is that okay? 13 and 3. Let's confirm it. Let me go and check. Where is it? This is 3. Where is 13? This is 13. Is that okay? Let's check the reinforcement. Okay, 3 by 16. Is that okay? And this one, okay. Let's see. Also 3 by 16, the same thing. Is that okay? So I'm going to make them one single. Is that okay? So I'll now make it double click on this one. Okay, it's already the same thing. I'll just select this one, CP. I'm coming. Double click, ground beam 2. Is that okay? Then click on this one, CP, enter, come to this place and put it here. Is that okay? And put it here like this. That's fine. So I'll now come to this place. That's a 13 and what? 13 and 3. Is that okay? 13 and 3. So I'll now come to this place. 13 and 3. They are the same. 13 and 3. I can just pick any of them. Then I'll delete this one. Is that okay? 13 and 3. Is that okay? They have the same thing, the same reinforcement, everything, the same dimension. Enter. Click on this one and come to this place and put it here. Okay. Let me see. Let me just take it here like this. Since everything will not enter, is that okay? Everything will not enter, so I'll just put it here. Is that okay? I'll put it here. Let me do like this. Okay. Let's go ahead. Then click on this one. Is that okay? Enter. Take it from here. I just position it here. Okay, that is fine. Then this one also, take it up very fast. Is that okay? That is fine. And also this one, I don't need all of this. I don't need all of this. And then this one, is that okay? I forgot to remove it. This one, there's a way you can remove it in a Protastructure. I forgot to remove that. So I'll now come to this place now. Then CP, enter, and name it as what? As 2. Is that okay? Then 2. Is that okay? Then that's a 2. Okay, that's fine. So the next thing I'm going to do now, next I'm going to do is this one. Then CP, enter. From this point, this one becomes my 3. Is that okay? This one becomes my 3. My 3. Is that okay? This 3, the same size. Is that okay? And then if you look at it, what are we having? 24, 25, 26. Is that okay? 24, 25, 26. Is that okay? 24, 25, 26. If you look at it, they are the same thing. Is that okay? I can have this one, and this one as the same type of reinforcement, because looking at it, okay, let's check. 24, 25, 26. Let's just pick it. Is that okay? Let's see. 26. Where is it? 26. 24. Where is it? I'm coming. Let's locate it. 24. Where is it? Somewhere. Okay, 24, 25, 26. Can you see now? So I'll now move it. Then CP, enter. Sorry, enter. Come to this place and insert. Is that okay? Looking at this, it's already coming out. And if I put it here, you see, it enters. Is that okay? Is there anyone I can put it there? None. Is that okay? There is none I can put here, so I'll just have to put it and then cut it. Is that okay? I'll put it here like this. Is that okay? Then come down a little. Perfect. Then what I'll now do, L, enter. Is that okay? L, enter. Come down. Is that okay? 8, enter. Then TR. Sorry, first of all, I need to explode. Is that okay? I will explode this. Is that okay? Then EX. Yes. Then enter. Then TR, enter. And come to this place. Cut it off. Is that okay? Let's wait for it. Good and fine. Then I'll now move this one. Okay, move this one like this. Enter. From this point here, I move it to this side here. Is that okay? I'm going to put a continuity sign. Is that okay? To show that yes, that beam is the continuation. Is that okay? So that is that. Let me do fast. Okay, this is it. And also this one, let me remove this one. Is that okay? So that is that. This one here. Okay, I'll not remove this one. TR, enter. Okay, so it has not been exploded. Explode. Then TR, enter. Then click on this. What's happening? Okay, explode, enter. Then TR, enter. Click on this. Perfect. So I click on this. Okay, that is that. Now I haven't done this one like this. I'll now come to this place and name it as my what? As 3. CP, enter. Come to this place and then was enter. Click on it. Change it to what? To 3. Is that okay? 3. Then click on it. CP, enter. And come to this place and insert it as my what? Then double click on it on this one and then click on. Then continuation. Is that okay? Continuation, full stop. Is that okay? That is that. So I'm done with that. So I'll now come to this place again. Is that okay? CP, enter. From this point to this point, I'll now name this as what? As 4. I'll name this one as 4. Is that okay? So that is that. And then what are we having there? We have a 21, 22, 23. 21, 22, 23. Is that okay? 21, 22, 23. 21, 22, 23. Where are you? Where are you? 21. Okay, see it here. See it here. I'll click on it, select it, then enter, take it. Is that okay? I'll put it here also. Is that okay? I'll put it here also. Let me zoom it very well. Okay, I think I'm okay like this because of the right top. It's okay like this. Okay, now the next thing I'll do, let me remove this one. Is that okay? I have to put the symbol, the right symbol there. Is that okay? So let me now click on this one and then click on this one, then explode. Sorry, explode. Is that okay? Then put my line L, enter. Sorry, L, enter. Then from this point, I take it down, F8, active. Okay. Then TR, enter, zoom it very well. Then from this point, I take it down to this point here. So let's wait for you to trim it off. In case you have not clicked on subscribe button, I want to say you should click on subscribe button. Is that okay? So that is fine. Then select this one like this, then M, enter, move it as move. Is that okay? F8. Okay, let me just keep it here and pick this one now. Then CP, enter. From this point, I take it to this place as what? As this. Then change the name to what? To 4. Can you see what we are doing now? Is that okay? So then double click on this, then copy this one now, CP, enter, and come to this place and put it on this. Okay, sorry, this one have been removed. Let me see, let me undo it. Undo, I did not copy properly. Undo, come back. Yes, perfect. So I will now reselect, I will reselect it. Perfect. Then M, enter, then move it now. Okay, perfect, that's good. So now I will now copy this one, click on this one, CP, enter. From this point, I'll just put it on this one, then change this one to what? To 4. Then click here and then come to this one again, then CP, enter. Then from this point, I take it to this point here and change it to what? To 4. Is that okay? To 4. Is that okay? That is fine. So I'll now copy this one again, take this one, CP. Is that okay? Come to this place and put this one here, somewhere here. That's fine. Then click on this. Okay, let me move it down. Let me zoom it very well. Is that okay? Come to this place. Then take it up. Okay, it's too much. Take it to this point. That's fine. So haven't done this one like this. There's the next one now. I'll come to this place again. The last one down here, that's a CP, enter, then come to this place and name it as what? As number 5. Is that okay? Double click on it, then click on this one and then 5. Is that okay? That's fine. So and what are the numbers? 9, 8, 7, 7, 8, 9. Is that okay? 7, 8, 9. I'll come to this place. 7. Where 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. See it here. Then copy this one. The entire beam, M, enter, then take it up and come to this place. If I put it here, fine. But what about this one? So let's just continue. As we said, you don't scale your drawing. Is that okay? And the sheet when it comes to beam, generally, let me use what generally. Please listen very well. That's why I say that you have to follow this video to the end. Now at this point, something very important that you need to note, that you don't scale your drawing. Is that okay? Any drawing at all, your drawing, once they are here, anywhere they are, once you bring them here, you don't scale them. Is that okay? You don't scale them. At the same time, you don't scale the sheet. Is that okay? This is the sheet. For the beam, you don't scale the sheet. Is that okay? You don't scale the drawing, you don't scale the sheet. That's for the beams. But for other ones, you don't scale the drawing, but you can scale the sheet. Is that okay? That is fine. So let's proceed. I believe you got that, isn't it? So I'll select this one and also this one, then explode, enter, then L, enter. Is that okay? Let me take the dimension to the other side. Is that okay? Yes, I can take dimension, then F8, then press it like this, then TR, enter. Is that okay? Select this one. Okay, I can now select it down. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, that's fine. So this one now, I can now decide to take it to the other line, to the other side, to show that this is the dimension. Okay, let me take it in. Is that okay? So also let me take this one in. Is that okay? Okay, that's fine. Then from here like this, I take it all through to this point here, then M, enter, come to this place, and I believe we are enjoying what we are doing. Is that okay? So that's fine. Okay, put it here, then come to this place. I don't want all of this. As I said, I'm supposed to have removed in a Protastructure. There's a place I can remove all of this, which I forgot to remove, so I have to face it here now. Is that okay? All right, so let's continue. This one also, I don't need it. Okay, these dimensions are okay. That's fine. Let's put this one here. Okay, that's okay. So now I'll now take my sample, which is this one now, then CP, enter, and bring it down this one to this point here and name it as what? As 5. Is that okay? And name it as 5. Okay, then also come to this place now, click on this one, CP, enter, then from here I put it here now. Okay, and then name it as what? As a 5 also. 5. Is that okay? So that is fine. So I haven't done this one like this. I'll now come to this place now. I have what? The one forward. I have to follow this other side. Is that okay? This other side. Then it's after I've done this before I'll now remove all this beam label. Is that okay? So that is fine. So I'll come to this place now. Sorry, where is it? Okay, this other side. Pick this sample here, CP, enter, Okay, I'll put it here now. I'll now put it here. Okay, then edit it. That's 5, which is still correct here. Then I'll make it 225. 25. Then this one is what? 650. Okay, that is fine. And that is beam what? This is 5. This is beam from up. This is beam 12, 12, 11, 12. Okay, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 10, 11, 12. I'll come to this place. 10, 11, 12. We're almost there. This is 10, 11, 12. I'll copy this one also. This is enter. Is that okay? And then come to this place. If I put it here also, it's barely enter. Is that okay? So let me just put it here. Is that okay? We'll also cut it. Is that okay? That is fine. Let's take it up here. Let me take it up here a little closer. Correct. It's okay. Then click on this one and then this one. What do we do? Explode. Is that okay? Explode. Enter. Then my line. Enter. Then from this point, then F8 to make it straight. Then TR. Enter. Is that okay? Then come to this place. Okay, let's wait for it to come up. Let's wait for it. It's coming up. Just follow the video, you'll be seeing what I'm doing. So this is what is expected of you to also do when you are doing your own detailing for wide strip. Is that okay? That is fine. Okay, then also come to this place also. Let me remove all of this. Okay, let me remove, oh sorry, undo. Let me remove this one. Okay, thank you. Then come to this place now. Remove all of this, then enter. Is that okay? My F8 to release it. Okay, come to this point here and then click. Let me take it up a little. Okay, that's fine. So I haven't done this one like this now. I will now come to this place now. I have this one, click on it, then CP, enter, come to this place and put it here, then double click on it and make it what? 6. Sorry, 6. Is that okay? The same dimension, everything's okay. Then I'll come to this place now, click on this, CP, enter, come to this place, bring it here. Okay, bring it here, double click and say what? And say 6. Is that okay? Sorry, 6 space. Is that okay? That's fine. All right, haven't done this one like this now. Is anything missing? Okay, nothing. Okay, except this one. Is that okay? This one is missing. Okay, I don't need this one actually. Is that okay? So I don't need all these ones. Is that okay? They are not needed. I'm going to select them and remove them later. Let me just click on it, right click and click on what? Select similar. Is that okay? Let me confirm. Okay, so those ones that have been selected. Let me see here. They are not selected. Okay, and here good and fine. Then delete. Okay, I'm done with that. Okay, so I've got this one now. I'll not take this one again. Can you see the reason why I copied this one somewhere else? Okay, I have this one here. Okay, then click on this, then see copy it in case. Okay, keep it here. Then the next one, you have 3 more to go. Then CP, enter. Okay, from this point, I take it to this point here. This point here, name it was 7. Okay, 7. Okay, 7. Okay, and what's the beam? What's the label? We have a 15, 16, 17. 15, 16, 17. Let's see. 15, 16, 17. See it here. Is it okay? 14. I'm coming. Let me see. Let's confirm. I'm saying 14. Okay. Let's see. I'm coming. Where is it? Okay. Okay. See it here. 14. Is that okay? See it here. 14. Is that okay? 14, 15, 16, 17. 14, 15, 17. Okay. So I'll come to this place now. Move all of them. Is that okay? Enter. Don't copy, because if not, if you copy, you'll be confused. Is that okay? If you copy, you'll be, I said you'll be what? You'll be confused. So therefore, don't copy. Is that okay? So click on this one. Is that okay? Then select all of these. I will select all of these to this point here. Okay, to this point here. Let me zoom it very well. Okay, this one, deselect it, then delete. Is that okay? Okay, also this one, delete it. Then this one also, select it and then move it up closer. Is that okay? That is fine. Then I will now come to this place now. Now L, enter. I want to cut it from here. Is that okay? For better view, this one, then also enter. I also cut from here. Let me do it this way. Okay, then click, select this one and then click on what? Explode. Enter. TR. Enter. Is that okay? Then come to this place. Correct. Is that okay? So let's wait for it to come up. Let's wait for it to come up. We're almost done. Okay, that is that. Then remove this one. Then come to this place. Select all. Is that okay? Enter. From this point here, my F8 to release. Then come to this place here. Okay, that is fine. Then let me take this one up. It's still down to give room for the other one. Is that okay? So I believe we are getting what we are doing. Is that okay? This is how to go about detailing. Is that okay? This is it. Can you see it now? So it will make my work to come out what? Clean. Is that okay? So by the time you print this one now, I bet you, without telling anybody, it will what? Self-explanatory. Is that okay? So that is it. That's I'll now come to this place now. I click on this one, then CP, enter, take it from here, and then put it here. Is that okay? And then double click on this one, then name it as what? As 7. Is that okay? Then also copy this one, then CP, enter, then from here I put it here as what? As my number what? Number 7 also. Is that okay? Part of 7, enter. Is that okay? So I'll now come to this one now. Second to the last, CP. Is that okay? I'm purposely using this to explain to you, is that okay, how to go about it. Let's assume they are having different widths, different dimension, different depths. Is that okay? Because at times the beam along this line might be bigger than the beam along this line. Is that okay? So that is fine. In terms of depth, I mean in terms of depth and both width. Is that okay? So that is fine. Okay, so that is it. Okay, I'll come to this place now. Okay, I'm done with 7. I'll now come to, am I on 7? Am I on 7? Okay, I've copied already. I've copied 7 already. So I now click on this one. This is 8 now. Is that okay? 8. Is that okay? That's fine. And what is 8? The 8 is what? 18, 19, 20. 18, 19, 20. Then which one is 18? Okay, should be this one. Should be this one. You can see 20 here. Okay, let me just remove this one from here. Okay, this one, then delete, then come to this place. Let me raise it up. Closer. Is that okay? And this one, do I need this one? Not needed. You already have dimension up here, so that is fine. So click on this one, select it, and then enter, take it, and come to this place. Is that okay? If I put it here, yet, so let me just follow it this way. Is that okay? Okay, can this one enter? Okay, let me make it like this. Let me do it this way. Okay, all right, that's fine. So I click on this one, then explode, enter, L, enter. Is that okay? Come to this place like this. Then press my A to make it straight, enter and enter again, and then come to this place, click on it, escape, TR, enter, and come to this place again. Is that okay? So let's wait for it. Is that okay? Come up. Is that okay? That's fine. Click on this, then also select from up. Is that okay? Then enter. Is that okay? Then press my F8 again to release. Is that okay? So I'll put it somewhere here. Okay, that is fine. So select this one to take it up a little. Take it up a little, and this one, select this one again, then press my control key and the arrow. Okay, I can try to put it here. Okay, that is fine. Now click this one, we are almost there. Then CP, click on this and then put it here, and this is our beam 8, isn't it? That's fine. Then click on this one and then copy this one here, CP, enter, and from this point I take it here. Is that okay? Double click on it, then this one, remove it. That's 8. Is that okay? So that's fine. All right, so I haven't explained this one automatically. The last one is this one, isn't it? So I don't need to bother myself about that. Okay, CP, enter. From this point I put it outside here and name it what? 9, beam 9. Is that okay? 9. Is that okay? That is fine, because if you look at it, it's still 225 by what? 650. Is that okay? That's what we are having, and that's what we are still having. Assuming this one is 225 by what? 700. I will have come to this place. Is that okay? And change it to what? To 700. Is that okay? So that is fine. Since it's not like that, I will undo it. Is that okay? That's fine. Okay, so it's the last beam, so I can't put it here. Is that okay? If I want, I'll just readjust this one to centralize it here, and then this last one I'll just come and put it here. Is that okay? Enter. Is that okay? Come to this place. Is that okay? So all cannot enter, so no problem. I'll just put it here like this. Is that okay? Then L, enter. L, enter. From this point, press my F8 to make it straight, then L again. Is that okay? Come to this place, then cut it. Is that okay? Select this, then explode. Okay, I think we are there. Oh, sorry, am I correct? Okay, TR, enter. Let me see. Okay, fine, that's fine. Come on. Okay, that's fine. So click on this one, remove them. Is that okay? Come to this place, select this one, then enter. Press my F8 to release it. Is that okay? And come to this place and just place it like this. Then I haven't done this one now. Select all of these ones. Is that okay? Press delete. I don't need that one. So also come to this place also. Remove all of these. They are not needed. Okay, click on it, and that is fine. And this one I don't need it. Okay, I haven't done this one like this. We are not done with the beam arrangement for story what? For ground floor, sorry, for the ground beams. Is that okay? We are done with this. For the ground beam, we are done. 9, that's 9. Oh, sorry, let me copy it again. Let me move it. Enter. Is that okay? This continuation, I'll put it here like this. Okay, double click on it and make it what? 9. Okay, that is fine. Then come to this place now, copy this one, CP, enter, and then come to this place and put what? And put 9, escape, double click on it, and then click on what? 9. Is that okay? That's fine. Now I haven't done this one like this. Now what I will now do, let me take this one, enter, and bring it closer to this place. Is that okay? So that is fine. And you can see this one now, we are done. So what I will now do now, I'll click on this one. Is that okay? This particular one, and also this one, then click on it, and then click on select similar. Is that okay? Let's go and confirm if there's any of them that is being selected. Okay, none. What about this sample that we have in case of inclusivity? Okay, none of them. Let's confirm. Okay, none of them. Okay, none of them. This one, this side, none of them. I cannot press my word E, we stand for erase, then enter. Can you notice what we are having now? Perfect. Okay, I'll now remove this one. Okay, I'll now come to this place now. Come to this one here. Copy this. Okay, then CP, enter, take it, and I'll come to this point here. Okay, looking at this, I can't reduce it because of the height. So that means let me just centralize it like this. Okay, all right. Is okay? Escape. You can now see white strip ground beam layout. Is okay? So that is that. What I will now do, I can now remove this one. So I've not finished. Okay, click on this one. Is okay? Then match property. Click on match property. Let's do something. Is okay? I'll now click on match property. Can you see it now? Is okay? Can you see? Is okay? Can you see it now? It's scale it up automatically. Can you see? Do you see what I'm doing now? Is okay? So I'm going to pause this video to now do the rest. Is okay? I'll pause the video to do the rest. Is okay? So that is that. I'll pause this video to do the rest. Is okay? So that is that. So as you can see, now the dimension is now the same thing with this. Is okay? You can ask the dimension the way we have it here. Is that okay? It's also the way we have it here. Is that okay? So that is fine. So you can see how our work came out clean and neat. Is that okay? So that is that. So the only thing now, I'll have to put dimension here. Is that okay? I'll put dimension in this place. Okay? Now once you have done this one, all you need to do is to now change the names. Is that okay? Like this one, you change the name. Here you can leave it. Here also you change it, and around this place you also change it, and this particular one. That's all. Okay, so let's proceed. Let me quickly put the dimension. Is that okay? You already know how to put the dimension, isn't it? Let me just pause it. I'll just pause the video. Is that okay? I'll just pause the video and then I'll put the dimension. Is that okay? So that's fine. Okay, let's just do some together. Let me take the dimension from here. Is that okay? From this point here. In fact, I don't need to do that. I don't think I need to do that. Let me just come here. Let me just come here, select this, click on this one, this one is okay, and this one is okay, and then also this. Let's see this one, since they are the same thing. Is okay? They are the same, so I don't need to pick another one. Then CP, enter. Is okay? I'll come to this point here, this point of intersection. Then let me go there and see if it will work. Then F8, and come to the center here. Is okay? Center point here, and then click. Can you see? Perfect. Is that okay? You have to look for means of making your work very fast. So you can see perfectly okay. Is that okay? So that's any other thing here that we have not done. Okay, our column is okay. Our column is still the same thing. Our column at this point is still the same thing. Now just press CP. Is that okay? I'll press on my column. Let's wait for it. CP. Come up. Okay, and this one. Then right click and select. No, sorry. Only select this one. Right click and click on select similar. Is that okay? Since I'll click on select similar, no, I did not click. Sorry. Right click, select similar. Okay, perfect. Okay, those one that I don't want to copy, I'll select them. Is that okay? I've deselected that one and all the rest. Is that okay? Click on these ones. Is that okay? Also go for my sample because I copied from there. Click on this. Is that okay? Now I'm left with only this one selected. Is that okay? I'll now press my CP, enter, and the same thing from this center point here. From this center point here, I'll take them to where is my okay, I'll bring them here at the center point here, click. That's fine. Is that okay? So don't forget this one, we are meant to remove it. Is that okay? I've explained this one in part 1. Is that okay? So that is that. I've explained this one in part 1. You can also see that what we are having is actually the same thing with what we have here. Let's see, you can see it's exactly the same thing with what we are having here. Is that okay? So that is that. Can you see? Perfectly okay. So all I will now do now is just to copy this one like this, or move it, enter, and then come to this side and place it close to it, something like this. Okay, let's wait for it. Perfect. So that is that. And also adjust this one again, enter. Is okay? And come to this place and then put it like this. Let's wait for it. Okay, fine. That's good. So all I'll now do now, I'll now select this one and then delete it. I'm done with this. That is fine. So you can ask what we have achieved now. So that is good. So this is just the part 2 of detailing a structure on what, on white strip foundation footing. Is that okay? So type of footing. So that is that, and I've used this sample to do that. So now the next part, now we are going to concentrate on this one and some other part. Is that okay? So thank you very much. Till I see you next time. I want to say that before then, you should try to click on subscribe button in case this is your first time of watching our video from Ekidel. And at the same time, I want to say that if you have not clicked on the like button, I want to say you should click on like button. Even though you have known what we have just finished, teaching on now, there are people who are looking for the knowledge. Is that okay? For their sake, try and click on the like button. Is that okay? So thank you very much. Till I see you next time. We also have an Ekidel group whereby other engineers have come together within the country, outside the country, whereby people from outside the country will share their knowledge, and you also share your knowledge, and from there, iron sharpened iron. Is that okay? So that is fine. So if you have not joined Ekidel group, I want to say you try and join our Ekidel group, whereby other engineers have come together to help each other to solve a particular problem. As I'm designing this, if I face any challenge, I can quickly post it there before you need, or as many engineers that are online and those who later come online, we do what? We quickly respond to the question and you help me solve the problem. Is that okay? So from there, you have also added 1 or 2 knowledge to what you know before. So that is fine. And also, we have a academic mentorship class where we train beyond this one, that we explain a lot of things, and there is one-on-one training. Is okay? One-on-one training. Is okay? You are free to ask questions. Anything you don't understand, how do you get this, all of those things, you are free to ask questions. That's mentorship class, and at the end of it, you are going to have your certificate because it's an institution. Is okay? Which is recognized internationally. So that is that. So thank you very much. Till I see you next time. And in case you want to learn how to design a PySoft, even seismic design, you want to know how to design seismic earthquake design, why not? Why don't you enroll for Ekidel mentorship training? Is that okay? Whereby you'll be trained specially on that, because that one is a professional course. Is that okay? So thank you very much. So I want to say bye till I see you next time. Thank you and God bless.